Hello, everyone. Today we explore some of the world's most innovative and influential companies. We're diving into Novo Nordisk, a global leader in diabetes care and other chronic conditions. Whether you're looking for long-term growth, dividends, or innovation-driven companies, Novo Nordisk is one to consider. Let's break it all down. This is Wealthvelocity. Here you create, protect, and grow your wealth fast. Before we get started, please note that this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute personalized financial advice. Everyone's financial situation is different, so it's important to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Novo Nordisk is a Danish pharmaceutical company that has carved out a leading position in the global healthcare market, especially in diabetes care, where it holds nearly 50% of the global insulin market. The company operates across two main divisions: diabetes and obesity care and biopharmaceuticals. In addition to diabetes treatments, Novo Nordisk is expanding its portfolio in obesity management, growth hormone therapy, and rare blood disorders. The company's vertical integration model ensures control over the entire supply chain, from research and development to manufacturing and distribution, allowing it to innovate faster while maintaining high-quality standards. Novo Nordisk also invests heavily in research and development, ensuring a pipeline of new drugs and innovative therapies that can drive future growth. The company's business model is underpinned by sustainable practices, aiming for long-term profitability while minimizing its environmental impact. Novo Nordisk is the undisputed global leader in diabetes care, particularly with its insulin products. The company offers a comprehensive portfolio of treatments, including long-acting insulins like Tresiba and rapid-acting insulins such as Novo Rapid. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects more than 400 million people worldwide, and that number is expected to rise in the coming years. With diabetes becoming more prevalent globally due to factors like aging populations and rising obesity rates, the demand for effective treatments will only increase. Novo Nordisk's dominant position in this market ensures that it will continue to benefit from this growing demand, providing investors with a stable revenue stream. Novo Nordisk has made significant progress in the obesity treatment market with its products Saxenda and the recently launched Wegovy, which has shown impressive results in clinical trials. Obesity affects over 650 million adults globally, and there are limited medical treatments available for this condition. Novo Nordisk is one of the few companies actively developing pharmaceutical solutions to combat obesity. The global obesity epidemic presents a major growth opportunity for Novo Nordisk. As healthcare providers increasingly recognize obesity as a medical condition requiring treatment, demand for effective solutions like Wegovy is likely to surge, providing Novo Nordisk with another significant revenue stream beyond diabetes care. Novo Nordisk has a robust pipeline of new drugs in development, focusing on innovative treatments for diabetes, obesity, and other chronic conditions. The company is currently developing oral semaglutide, which could transform the way diabetes is treated, offering patients a convenient oral alternative to injections. Other promising developments include next-generation insulin products and GLP-1 receptor agonists, which are used to manage blood sugar levels and promote weight loss. A strong pipeline is crucial for a pharmaceutical company's future growth. With innovative products in development, Novo Nordisk ensures it will remain competitive in the healthcare market, driving long-term revenue and growth opportunities for investors. Sustainability is a core part of Novo Nordisk's business model. The company aims to have zero carbon emissions from its global operations by 2030 and is heavily focused on reducing waste and improving energy efficiency. Additionally, it has implemented initiatives to expand access to diabetes care in low and middle-income countries, improving healthcare outcomes globally. Investors are increasingly focusing on companies that prioritize environmental, social, and governance (ESG) criteria. Novo Nordisk's commitment to sustainability not only enhances its brand, but also makes it more attractive to ESG-focused investors, which can drive long-term shareholder value. Novo Nordisk operates in over 80 countries, providing essential medications to millions of people worldwide. Its global presence ensures that it can tap into growing healthcare markets in emerging economies, particularly in Asia, Africa, and Latin America, where access to healthcare is expanding rapidly. Having a strong international footprint helps Novo Nordisk diversify its revenue streams and reduce its reliance on any single market. As healthcare infrastructure improves in emerging markets, Novo Nordisk is well positioned to capture new demand, providing a key growth opportunity for the company. Pharmaceutical companies that specialize in life-saving treatments, such as insulin, often command high profit margins due to the critical nature of their products. Novo Nordisk is no exception. Its advanced manufacturing processes and strong pricing power for innovative products allow it to maintain industry-leading profit margins. High profit margins mean more free cash flow, which can be reinvested in R&D, used for acquisitions, or returned to shareholders in the form of dividends. For investors, companies like Novo Nordisk that can maintain strong margins are often seen as lower risk and more stable. Over the past decade, Novo Nordisk has delivered consistent revenue growth, driven by its leadership in diabetes care and its expansion into new therapeutic areas like obesity and rare blood disorders. Even during periods of economic uncertainty, the demand for essential medications like insulin remains strong. Consistent revenue growth is a key indicator of a company's long-term viability. Investors looking for stability and growth can be confident in Novo Nordisk's ability to generate revenue across various market cycles, even during economic downturns. The prevalence of chronic conditions like diabetes and obesity is increasing worldwide, driven by aging populations and lifestyle changes. Novo Nordisk's focus on managing these long-term conditions positions it to benefit from the growing demand for treatments that provide ongoing care and improve patient quality of life. Chronic diseases require lifelong management, ensuring a steady stream of recurring revenue for companies that provide effective treatments. As the global population ages and the incidence of chronic diseases rises, Novo Nordisk is in an excellent position to capitalize on this trend. Novo Nordisk has formed strategic partnerships with other pharmaceutical companies and research institutions to enhance its drug development capabilities. These collaborations allow the company to leverage new technologies and bring innovative treatments to market more quickly. Strategic partnerships enable Novo Nordisk to expand its expertise and enter new therapeutic areas without bearing all the risk alone. This collaborative approach can lead to faster innovation, better drug development, and a diversified portfolio, which ultimately benefits investors. Novo Nordisk has a strong track record of paying dividends to its shareholders, with consistent increases over the years. The company's robust cash flow allows it to maintain a healthy dividend payout while also reinvesting in its business for future growth. For income-focused investors, Novo Nordisk's reliable and growing dividends offer an attractive income stream. With its consistent financial performance, the company is well-positioned to continue rewarding shareholders with regular payouts. Novo Nordisk has maintained a conservative financial structure with low levels of debt, which gives the company financial flexibility. This strong balance sheet allows Novo Nordisk to invest in growth initiatives, such as acquisitions or R&D, without the burden of high interest payments. Low debt levels reduce the company's financial risk, particularly in times of rising interest rates or economic downturns. It also means more of the company's earnings can be used for innovation, expansion, or shareholder returns rather than debt servicing. Novo Nordisk's management team has successfully steered the company through various market challenges and opportunities, delivering strong financial results while maintaining a long-term focus on growth. The company's leadership is committed to advancing innovative therapies while keeping sustainability and patient care at the core of their strategy. A strong, experienced management team is essential for navigating the complex healthcare landscape. Novo Nordisk's leadership has consistently demonstrated the ability to make sound strategic decisions, instilling confidence in investors and ensuring continued success. Novo Nordisk is a leader in the development of GLP-1 receptor agonists, a class of drugs that help manage type 2 diabetes and promote weight loss. Drugs like Ozempic and Rybelsus are part of this category and have gained significant market share due to their effectiveness. GLP-1 treatments are one of the fastest-growing segments in diabetes and obesity care, offering Novo Nordisk a competitive advantage. As more healthcare providers adopt these drugs, Novo Nordisk stands to benefit from increased demand and continued market leadership. Novo Nordisk has a strong portfolio of intellectual property, with numerous patents protecting its innovative drugs and biologics. This IP protection allows the company to maintain market exclusivity for its treatments, preventing competitors from developing generic versions for a specified period. Strong IP protection is crucial for maintaining competitive advantages in the pharmaceutical industry. It enables Novo Nordisk to command premium pricing for its treatments, driving higher margins and providing a buffer against competitive pressures. One of Novo Nordisk's key strengths is its resilience during economic downturns. Healthcare is an essential industry, and the demand for life-saving treatments like insulin and other chronic disease therapies remains strong, even during recessions. Resilience in times of economic uncertainty is an attractive quality for investors seeking stability. Novo Nordisk's focus on essential medications ensures a steady demand for its products, making it less vulnerable to the fluctuations that affect other industries. While Novo Nordisk is a global leader in diabetes care and chronic disease management, it faces significant pricing pressures, particularly in the United States market. Governments and healthcare providers are increasingly pushing for lower drug prices, which could impact Novo Nordisk's profit margins. Additionally, regulatory risks, such as changes in healthcare policies or drug approval processes, can pose challenges. Investors should be aware that pricing pressures and regulatory changes could negatively impact Novo Nordisk's revenue and profitability, particularly in its largest market, the United States. These risks are inherent in the pharmaceutical industry and could be a concern for investors seeking more predictable returns. That wraps up our 15 reasons why Novo Nordisk could be a great investment, along with one potential downside to keep in mind. Remember, investing always comes with risks, so be sure to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more money in your pocket.